Hello, Stephen Paul with Fritzy Brothers One Man Circus. Today I'm going to show you how to make a poodle. It's one of my favorite because it was the first one that a Shriner clown taught me how to make at the Matterhorn restaurant in about 1982. 3 sets of 5. 3 sets of 5 bubbles. About halfway, burp the balloon, let a little air out of the balloon. 5 bubbles, the same size bubble, just about an inch bubble. You're going to make 5 of them. Hold on to it, press it into the palm of your hand so you'll have room to make the other 4. Make sure that you're twisting the same way. 5 bubbles. Take the 5th one and the body of the balloon and twist those top 4. And there you have the poodle's ears and the nose. Another set of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take the 4 once again, twist them, and there you have the front legs. Now you have to pretty much figure out in your mind, okay, I've got this much is what I need down here, plus about 2 more bubbles for the tail. So right about here, it's going to take a little bit of figuring. You have to figure out about how much. So here's the body of the balloon and 4 more. And again, take those 4 and twist them. Usually 2 times. This is a little bit too much. However, it still works out pretty good. What you want to do is take this part right here, stretch it. You're expanding the balloon. And press down while you're squeezing that balloon. And there you have the pink poodle. Sometimes what I'll do is just ask the kid to blow on the balloon. And when they blow on the balloon, I go, and I say, how did you do that? Here we have the poodle from a different angle. 3 sets, 5 balls. 1, twist towards you. 2, 3, 4, 5. Take those 4 and twist them. 2 times is usually sufficient. Another set of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Twist those 4. One. Then the body and another set of 4. Leaving some room for the tail and the little bubble. Take those last 4 and twist them. And again, take that end of the balloon, stretch it, press down, and there you have the poodle. Hit the like button, comment, and subscribe to Fritzy Brothers.